Hey everybody, welcome back to the video. In this one, we're going to be learning about HTML ID attribute. So before going into the video, I would appreciate you guys liking and subscribing the video and feel free to comment. So let's go into the topic. So first, basically this ID attribute lets us customize the stuff, like basically the style of the background color or the color, or it might be something. So it basically allows us to customize, and this is also used sometimes in other languages like JavaScript, so that you can write your text inside that and stuff. So if you're seeing my JavaScript videos, you would understand the ID tag already, and if you're not seeing it, you can just go see this, you can just see this video and understand that. And I already have JavaScript if you want to learn, so you can go check it out too. And I'll say it's pretty fun series too. And let's see an example using this ID tag. So first we're gonna have our doc type HTML and have our HTML tag right here, and then we're gonna have our body tag, and inside this body tag we're gonna have our h2, and here is where how you can create your ID. You're gonna have something called ID equals and then your ID name, pretty much similar of how do you create your class. And then I'm gonna have test, and then we're gonna have just like that because I don't have any like specific name to that, so I'm just gonna do that. And then I'm just gonna say hello world, and that's basically it. And we have our h2 with our ID as test, and if you want you can just place this in a div tag, that's fine too, but I'm just gonna place it in an h2 tag, and that does work too, so if you want you can do that. And now we're gonna have our head tag right here, and in this head tag we're gonna have probably our style tag, and let's just do that. And inside this we're gonna customize our ID, or basically our h2 tag right here. So to do that, you're gonna have hashtag h2, and then you're gonna basically have these brackets right there, and then you can customize this background color, and then you can keep a background color, it might be anything, so I'm just gonna put green, yellow, and there we go. And after that we can do whatever we want with this. If you want you can customize the text align everything and stuff, so that's fine. And I'm gonna also say the color, or let's just say a text align, because I'll say black is a great color already, so let's just put the text align as center, and there we go. And if you want you can do other stuff if you want, so it's fine. And I'm gonna open this with live server, let's just do that. And there we go, it didn't appear for us. You know why? Because we are not using our ID tag correctly, because you should not use hashtag h2, because it should not be h2, instead it should be your ID name. So let's just have our ID name right here, hashtag test. And then I see this mistake by many people, they just think if you wanna customize this, you're just gonna use h2 and then do that, and then that's basically what they do wrong. So if you want to change that, you should change that, because that's not how it should work. And open with live server, there we go, hello world, and there we go. So why am I using like these two different tabs? Because normally I use like this, two different tabs separate, and the reason is like it's hard to switch tabs and stuff, so I'm probably gonna do this. And let's just go switch to this tab, and that's one part of it. I mean, this is kind of like a class, why can't we just use a class instead of it? And this is the reason why you have to and sometimes can use this. Let's just delete all of our head tag right now because we don't need it, but I guess we need it in the future or later on in this video. So we're gonna keep the ID, and we're gonna basically have something like, let's just say about fruits or something, jump, or let's just say jump to fruit, or let's just put the fruit apple, and this is gonna be a hyperlink. So many people might think I'm just like using like the a tag and then probably gonna just say take to a different website, but no, I'm just gonna take them to, or make them scroll down, and then whenever they click this, it's basically gonna take them to the fruit apple, where is it in the section below. So let's just have our a tag right there, or the anchor tag, and then inside this we're basically gonna have our href tag, href, and then there we go, we have our href tag just like that. And then I'm just gonna leave this right now, so because I don't really need this, but I just don't need this ID for this too, so let's just cut that, and we don't need it. And I'm gonna put a lot of paragraph tags first. First, I'm gonna start off with our h3 tag because I have to have a heading though. So yeah, and I'm gonna put another paragraph tag right here, and this is where our paragraph tag will be, and that's it. I'm gonna copy this format, and if I write these, so I'm just gonna say first one to be banana, and let's just take it to banana. And in this, I'm just gonna have a lot of things, so I'm just gonna say about banana, blah blah blah, and then there we go, and there should be it. So I'm gonna copy this and then do for a lot of times. So let's just do this a lot of times so that I can just fill the whole page in there. So let's just do that, and I'll probably that should be it. So let's just open this with live server and see if our thing works. So let's just do that, and it should work. And let's just go switch to our chat tab. And yeah, we got our scrolling icon right here, scrolling little icon, and that should be it. So let's just jump to fruit apple. It basically doesn't do anything now, but this is where it does something. So let's just delete this, and we're gonna one last time paste this right here. We're gonna have apple, and then inside this about apple we can just say, and then I forgot to write banana there is, but it's fine. And inside this I'm gonna paste my href. So first let's have our id equals, and then the id should be test, and there we go, href. And then we're gonna paste like we're just gonna write hashtag test because this is the id we want it to go. And just like that, let's open this, and instead of per people like scrolling to find apple and there's a lot of big section instead of going till there, instead if you just jump to fruit apple, and there you go, it just takes you there. And if you have a lot of stuff, this is a lot of fun to do because this thing allows us you to go like anywhere in the page if you want. So if you have multiple href links and something kind of like that, so this id attribute is a lot fun and a lot important in the html or javascript languages. So that's it for today's video. See you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.